abusia me church obi bia ba jo fak media mo so for na Naija Viva Court na me ko so aka kire me yewura Ochame Kofi Adu contest for deputy organizer e wa sentiment mu anti emre no so a NDC atu ahene na si ahene for ye to aba na yewura Ochame Kofi Adu na o meye deputy organizer ye cha NDC mpanifo nyina me ame brother yewura Dominic Adoma Joshua Chebo ati nyame kam nyina mama G ne ma divine mensa mu nyina nyame kam papa Pogawan masade a ye cha mu nyina na fa ye koya atam no straight abusia sa wa wani tua se mpanifo ka asemi se bibi anko ka papa enjejere what I said, NDC Mabunu, NDC youth, NDC grassroots. Yet you want you na say, Yura or Mampenny for a man boy for. Yen say, Yura or Mampenny for or you wouldn't you. Yen say, Yura Mampenny for your Timoden for. And Untina, now your friend dear woo or Mampenny called dear bra or bed you dear woo Donna Jacum for, when dear bra or bed you but NDC Mabunu, ya say ya de ya ka wasem ya de beto oboko ya complain ya be ma bibia ya boko na se obi nim na wonim na dakodako kofa ba wa se se yewura nana adodan kwa akofo ado oto de free akonwa so no wati wadi ya ka na asem beda MPP fo aboko akofa yewura nana adodan kwa akofo ado asem be ba beto no obehu secret ne nnuama ye de bepie ya ka bi hiem ya to na afia pokua aberewa bugi maame afia pokua ene MPP nkrofo bi kofa yewura kofo asem baaye ene yesese makofa kofo asem abade a ene ye be horo kofo te se horo sapo what I say ye be kire kofo ase ne ya kire awudi sem amamboy sem nnuamafo akofo be ye ro Ghana ene ye be yi amagana fo nyina tie na abusia ya sa kwakonya video ba ko a yewura kofo ene nsem training bi eye interviews na interviews na yewura kofo ne nsem training ni ye no na no oden e wana mu sasa mampanyin kofo ye mamboyfo mampanyin kofo ye timodenfo mampanyin kofo excuse me to say sebe wo ye wudi ni papa abusia me ko tie video no amaka na brofo na mo ko tie wi a e bia na me nua ba ma asem na mo kan no wonti atie wo brofo na ma ba be kirekire mo twi mu ama otiawa omye ti omombra
not how I'm sensitive.
Did you offend him personally while in government? Anything you know?
No, I don't remember doing it.
Do you regret withdrawing his diplomatic courtesies?
Do you know what he did to me?
Tell us.
Please, let's go into that.
No,
when we are into Christmas.
Was it payback time? He said,
not payback, but I was the sitting head of state. He was former. And the sitting, in a way, personifies the states. When you go out to some foreign land to describe your sitting head of state, incompetent, disgrace to the nation, and that sort of thing. Suppose it were his time, you think you could say that about him and come back to Ghana? From what we all know. So that was what I said, look. And it was not as if I went out to do anything. He came after such a trip, blurting out all these things, to ask that courtesies be extended. So I said no. When you use the word courtesy, you should know that it's give and take. Next time, we withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what I said.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
When offered the opportunity, would you want to ask him?
We withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what I said.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
When offered the opportunity, would you want to ask him what you have done to him?
Occasionally, we meet at some function, we shake hands. And the wife is in a way a distant relative of mine from Kumasi.
So what's your relationship with his wife?
These days, fine.
These days?
These days, fine.
But in the past, it wasn't?
Some time ago, there were things that really disturbed, and I expressed my displeasure in ways for her to know that she needed to go gingerly.
But these days?
Oh, now I believe we are fine.
You believe or you know?
I believe. Let me say it from my perspective.
Yes.
I hope she feels the same as I feel. I'm sensitive.
Did you offend him personally while in government? Anything you know?
No, I don't remember doing it.
Do you regret withdrawing his diplomatic courtesies?
Do you know what he did to me?
Tell us.
Please, let's go into that.
No.
When we are into Christmas.
Was it payback time? He said,
not payback, but I was the sitting head of state. He was former. And the sitting, in a way, personifies the states. When you go out to some foreign land to describe your sitting head of state, incompetent, disgrace to the nation, that sort of thing. Suppose it were his time, you think we could say that about him and come back to Ghana? From what we all know. So that was why I said, look, and it was not as if I went out to do anything. He came after such a trip, blurting out all these things, to ask that courtesies be extended. So I said, no. When you use the word courtesy, you should know that it's give and take. Next time, we withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what I did.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No. We withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what I did.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
One of the...
That's what I did.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
One of the...
That's what I did.
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
One offered the opportunity.
Abusiafo enti yewura omampanyin dada John Agyekum Kufuor ene yakote se woni yewura Bolare eye dey edi nkomo yewura Bolare na o interview yewura Kufuor na me omo kasa mu no ena yewura Bolare ene betum se yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ye di na de sei aba be kana bonte se Kufuor be ye president no Kufuor ene no andi ni ye na Kufuor asem we eye no kre anasa nya no koresa woni ye mampanyin Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings obi a wade kabi mami kabi ebaaye ye mampanyin Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ena ma wo Kufuor timi be ye president of Ghana ha nka Kufuor nka timi be ye president of Ghana da se yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings anfa wadu kwa kabi mami kabi democracy anfa amba ene ya amend the 1992 constitution ene ya shamra say every 4 years we are to aba e ka wo John Agyekum Kufuor ka want me am ya president da but nipa na wono na ama wo am ya president no ba ya yewura John Agyekum Kufuor person odi na wu wan say MPP for ya wudi for enti yewura mampanyin Kufuor MPP o free so a yewura Tamos ba ye yewura Tamos man ba bi tira ye till date am ka say aban ene hwe ye papa John Agyekum Kufuor ben John Agyekum Kufuor ka kire Akufo-Addo say hwe na wan hwe Mahama nti Mahama be ye former president no na wane na no pa dan ha wane na yere they were stranded yewura Akufo-Addo transfer for the past 8 years yewura John Dramani Mahama on one na try life bills the hospital ben bibia na ban bill to abet si amene ka say Akufo-Addo ba bia wote aduane a wodi nfi a wonom ba bia wonne no frama wo me ni nyina eye NDC aban eletua mo omo ba aban mo monafiki ne mo nyoma bone yewura Kufuor say die ntia ono no mafia yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ni nyina yesem Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings kwa manone abrochire ko kan say Kufuor is incompetent. They said they now MPP for the aya nyom e dey aya twiapia e ti o manu ade bi o ka say John Dramani Mahama srem say jata be ma wo fefe kukudu fa o tena konwa to ma de nasi from kim no o mo be ka che to o incompetent tina abedane ni din but yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings be ka ba ko say Kufuor e incompetent Kufuor say say word na yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings use man ni tiro e no tiro mafia no ama yam papa Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings Kufuor ka me yere yare bukai sana ya maame what do you call it ya maame the friend saying ya maame Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings konadu agimai ya maame na konadu agimai yare pa na ya serious edu ba na yewura Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings pemwa a de be boa ama ya maame ho atoro Kufuor nim as president Kufuor amfi no am one back what so yiri be wu a onya de owu mi wa mu nyina free royal family what so be wu a owu what say dia maame ka bia am ne be family ra ko hospital Kufuor so onya le nyele china Kufuor sorry an pa ye nyina ne say ya maame what do you call it konadu agimai owu a ono na nya ne case all in the name of say na ikunu ne Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings enti Kufuor man boy for ye wudi for ncha bare sa na Kufuor ene ya maame na what do you call it na konadu agimai na omo nkasa o amo kasa ko na kofo pene dinawu kofo mafia Rollins mane wo say ya mafia no sanaka kofo tena so at data watimu a otewa one na enjoy bibia na mahama ehwe no ya NDC aban ba wo hwe no akofo do wo hwe no wa hwe yewura flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins na busua da kofo ahwe omo na kofo mafia omo tina ade achi ade sabia no na kofo epe kwan bi obefa so bia yewura flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins be free wiase na o yes ani o ma we nyina be nyakopon a o hata soro antimi ama kofo ayeden antimi ekuye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins enti kofo se boni a ya papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins ye ni nyina wo se waka kire ne se we ya incompetent me wa ba omia tuapia na hye na numa de bia oka se mahama incompetent akofo ado mahama incompetent MPP nkwada ne mafura totofiwa omo pampers da so bubu omo a omo ni mo left and right they were all calling ya papa John Dramani mahama incompetent that's a wokofo ya papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins obi o wa na wona be ma wo ya president no what oh we ya incompetent ya ene dia kofo buafu omuni ya kum antiatie se yewura flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins aka asematia no French yakata kofo ya mamboyfo kofo ya wudini kofo ya trimodemfo kofo na ne ya ne bibia yese ofese oku flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins na ya njindi but you see the truth has been told from the horse's own mouth you see that kofo na aba beka say yes on mafia flight lieutenant Jerry John Rollins no pele ginewu what I say waka ni nsem ni nyina nche see MPP fo amu ye debia ye maame abrewa afia pokua ene san kokorafo ne omom ake wo fom na mu wo MPP mu ate mu nu samfo sem tantan sem kankan mo kwasi akeka mo keka fa MPP wo se ye atake ewura kofo no obi nye ready so be atake kofo mo na makwa fa ba ene to obi bo se akwankwa yina ni buwe me de me ho aba mo na mo de mo ho aba ade ye address mo ne ye kira mo nyama fo nyama bone akofo ba ye beto ton Ghana njapade ede fofa ma mo ni maame bi na no GTV na ya take kofo yere no me de me money di because wa ware timi money di kofo we no okay na kofo otukwan bi akofo amfa na yere antukwan je say ya papa John Dramani mama de lodi na tukwan de bia no kofo amfa na yere antukwan da simply because otukwan a woni mo ma oba wi wo mo what I say nti say every for mo so ma ye ready say kofo factor no mo bekoso aka NDC we are also ready to face you squarely. I do Fact Media, subscribe, like, share, and friend. Notification bell of and support to send any update. Yeah, you're gonna be the first person to have it. I will share also for another faculty. Makramo.
Welcome to Joe Fact Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news. Truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top. With facts we confirm, no chance we flop. Headlines, analysis, real interviews. We dig deep, we don't just break the news. Authentic, bold, we pass the test. Joe Fact Media, bringing you the best.